How can we maximize the use of automation technology as an asset for our company? Find out in today's video. One of the big benefits of machine automation is that it is simultaneously a physical asset, a unique process, and potentially intellectual property assets. As a physical asset, it can easily be financed, and they also can contribute to your evaluation and the overall worth of the company. As a unique process, it's a process or a secret sauce or trade secret that your competitors don't have access to, and it can be a unique advantage for being able to produce a product or service. You're also competitive, especially if you can build something new that maybe doesn't exist on the market, or modify something for your specific needs as a business. And of course, your competitors will not have access to that. Chances are that if you want to build something new, automate some kind of new process, that 80% of the technology exists out there already, and you only need to do 20% to either code, adapt the existing technology to your specific needs, or maybe make some new fixtures or end effectors or something like that. But 80% is already done. 20% might need to be modified. Most of the technology exists out there already. If your application is unique enough to qualify, to be novel and to qualify for a patent, then that's an awesome thing too, because now you can use it to maintain your competitiveness in the marketplace and attempt to exclude others by enforcing the patent. It works especially well with the franchising model, because if you're a franchisor, you can create some kind of new automation technology, and it doesn't have to be extremely fancy or high-tech. It could be just automating a simple process, but again, something that your competition does not have access to. And then once you have the IP rights, you can hold the IP rights as the franchisor and then license them to the franchisee. So only the people that are a part of that franchise can have access to the technology. So I want to move on now to a case study with 2 engineers, an assistant and a project manager, a very small team. Boxed, which is basically the online version of Costco that does direct delivery, they built their own automated picking carts that were designed specifically for their unique needs, which are, transporting and handling the picking of bulk order items like toilet paper and tissue. And their internal team was able to come up with a solution in 90 days, and their plan was to realize a goal of an 80% increase in picks per hour at 10% the cost of a traditional conveyor system. They were able to come up with that prototype, and although they didn't go with off-the-shelf technology that was meant for picking, they created some new type of, their automated picking carts with off-the-shelf technology, which included, iPads and servo motors and motion controllers, those types of things. But because they knew what their specific needs were, they were able to come up with a very cost-effective solution to get them the results that they desired. So if you're thinking of a process in your business that you want to automate, and you want to know more about the existing off-the-shelf solutions and how they could be modified, or you think that with the right help, you could design a more cost-effective solution, please reach out. The number is 403-616-9316, or reach out by email, Stephen@automationexperts.ca. Thanks for your time today, and I'll talk to you soon.